Hey, how you doing? Hope all is well. Listen, I know that we're in times now with this recession. There's a lot of things going on, but I don't want you to get discouraged, especially when it comes down to business. And I just want to talk to you a few minutes because when I have I'm having a workshop Saturday at August the 6th, but I want to let you know some of the things that I will be discussing. So plug this in. If you're interested, please come out. Now, I do want to let you know I've been talking these last few weeks about government contracting and also how to get funding for your business. And there's money coming to different states. This doesn't necessarily have to be Georgia, but there's funding coming to many states that maybe your business, if you have a business or if you're doing a startup, you can apply. Now, there are a few things that I'm going to get more intense at the workshop, but I do want to tell you, for those that are out of town, I'm so sorry. We will try to do something for you at another date and time, possibly that you can't be there. But if you are able to be in the house, please be there. But what I want to share with you, some of the things that will help you to move forward through this recession, because a lot of businesses are started and a lot of millionaires are created during a recession period. Studies have shown it. Google it, whatever you want to do, but you know that I am telling the truth about this. So what I do want to share with you is some of the things that is very, very important when it comes down to us now, when it comes down to business throughout a recession. You're going to definitely, number one, you're going to have, and it's going to benefit you, your business is going to be one thing, that's going to be business credit. There's a strategy to it. There's ways to get it done. There's legal ways to get it established, because there's some people out here that's giving misinformation, that's telling you to do all kind of crazy things, and it's just not correct, politically correct, and it's not correct at all, because you won't get very far in business doing them those ways. So there's also things that you must have with your personal credit. Your personal credit must be on point. It must be improving. It must have a good, excellent, situation going on with it. Your scores need to be a certain number, and you just want a healthy score. The next thing is, we've been trying to bypass this ever since I've been doing my social media and talking about and helping clients over the years. I've always told them, you need a business plan. Whatever you're getting ready to embark on, you need a plan. Now, it's come here lately that a lot of people want government contracts, they want loans, they want other things. Like, for as their business is concerned, they want grants, they want to be able to get loans, they want to be able to do business with the government. You got to have a plan for that. So if they want you to have a plan, why don't you consider methodically thinking out your plan so it won't be overwhelming for you? You can just be able to see and plug in all of the little pieces along the way, so where you can have a full-blown plan that's going to help you to make a profit and grow expeditiously over the years. You can revisit your plan maybe once a year or every 6 months, but I recommend, and I know with me, when I did my first business, I had a plan and I felt more comfortable with the plan. Now, when I had to close the business and then I reopened another same business, it was a salon a few years after that, I just revamped, because it was, I just revisited and revised it, because we were in different times, and that's just like it's going to be now. 2020 is not like 2022, because we were in a pandemic in 2020. Now we're in 2022. It's a little different. The climate is a little different. People's needs are a little different. And marketing is a little differently. Social media is a little differently. So you understand what I'm saying? So what I definitely want you to know is that you can have your business profitable, but you just got to do the things that you need to do to get it there. Now, you can't bypass some of these things that you want to, like growing your marketing. You can't passively think about marketing. You have to have a strategy. You have to have a blueprint. You can't think passively about social media. You have to have a strategy. You have to have a blueprint. You can't possibly haphazardly think about, even when you're going to partner with the government or whatever you're going to do, or whomever you're going to partner with, you definitely have to have a strategy. You need a strategy for these things. So what I do want to share with you is getting your blueprint, your plan together by marketing, social media, getting your business credit together, getting your personal credit together, having your business plan, and having other things that's going to have you growing, and setting up your other business tools. I have a free business toolkit. If you go and click the link in my bio, you can get that for free, and I'll explain to you. I have a video for you, and I have a workbook for you. It doesn't cost you anything, so you can know what you need to do to grow your business. Okay, alrighty, but that's all I want to share with you today. And if you ever need any of my services, I'm here. I'm Biz Strategist Sandy. I am here for you. You just make an appointment with me, and we'll see what we can do to help you get to the next level. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.